Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra discounted, Google Maps introduces new features, LinkedIn testing, TikTok-like video feed, Samsung rolls out Galaxy AI features, FTX founder sentenced to prison, AppleWatchX redesign expected, US to bar Chinese chip factories from receiving tech and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is currently available at a significantly discounted price on both Flipkart and Amazon India websites. The handset is priced at Rs 89,999 on Flipkart and Rs 92,769 on Amazon, with additional cashback offers. Users can further reduce the price by Rs 5,000 using a Samsung Axis Bank Infinity card, bringing the effective price down to Rs 84,999. Despite being a previous generation flagship, the Galaxy S23 Ultra offers premium features, making it a value for money proposition at the discounted price. Google Maps has introduced 3 new features ahead of the summer travel season. The updates include a cleaner homepage design, curated restaurant recommendations in select cities, and the ability to create and share lists of favorite destinations. Users can include links to social media posts in their recommendations, and AI-driven insights into popular dishes will also be available. These updates aim to provide valuable information for users to make informed decisions about their travel and dining experiences. LinkedIn is reportedly experimenting with a new TikTok-like video feed feature within its app. This addition mirrors the vertical short-form video feeds seen on other social media platforms. The feature aims to enhance users' ability to discover relevant professional videos, including career advice and insights from industry experts. While still in the testing phase, LinkedIn intends to leverage its pool of creators to deliver engaging short-form videos to its users. Samsung has announced the rollout of Galaxy AI features across more Galaxy flagship devices in India. The update will be available on various models including the Galaxy S23 series, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 and Tab S9 series. Features like Circle to Search, Live Translate and Note Assist aim to enhance users' mobile AI experience. Attractive pricing offers are also available, making Galaxy devices more accessible to consumers. Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, has been sentenced to 25 years in prison and ordered to forfeit $11 billion. He was found guilty of 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy related to FTX collapse in November 2022. The court described it as one of the largest financial frauds in history, citing Bankman-Fried's greed and disrespect for the law. Despite requests for leniency, the judge emphasized the seriousness of the crimes and the potential risk of recidivism. Reports suggest Apple is working on a significant redesign for the upcoming 10-year anniversary of the Apple Watch, potentially named AppleWatchX. Analysts categorize it as the biggest overhaul yet, with rumored features including a sleeker profile and a new magnetic band system. Integration of blood pressure monitoring capabilities and sleep apnea detection is also expected. The launch could be slated for 2024 or 2025 due to production complexities. The United States is compiling a list of advanced Chinese chip-making factories to be barred from receiving key tools. This move aims to help companies better control technology flows into China and strengthen existing restrictions on China's access to advanced chips. The list could be released in the coming months, addressing challenges faced by companies in identifying such factories. US officials addressed request for a list at an export controls conference, acknowledging the importance of providing clarity to companies. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hey, have you heard that Google is offering free courses on AI? Generative Learning Path. Transform your business with artificial intelligence. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Generative AI Training. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. AI for Everyone. Responsible AI Overview. Generative AI for Everyone. Introduction to Generative AI Studio. Go and enroll fast to upskill yourself in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence.